So the camera is rolling, so just so that you girls know.
What can we do?
Nothing, just start prepping the station and then we shall be starting. Hi everyone, I'm John. In this video, I'm going to attempt to show you how we produce an episode of a YouTube video for my new channel, We Review. Okay, we're gonna do a review about this grinder and we will be unboxing this. So the weapon of choice today is the Canon EOS R together with the 24-70mm f2.8 IS. Let's get started with the review. Let me put this away. In this review, we will require an overhead shot for the unboxing video. I've got a makeshift light stand and an overhead rig which does not inspire ultimate stability for the camera, but our YouTube videos has no budget and I'll have to make do with what I already have. So that's our makeshift rig, overhead rig, to do some unboxing for this video. One thing that has the EOS R going for us is the tilty screen, which makes it easy for the talent to make sure the framing is right. The 24mm is wide enough to get the framing we want for the unboxing video. These things that you don't need, buy from local box, close one, put it away. Okay. My role is to just break down the process of the video into parts and produce the talent to what I think it will look good on the video.
Actually, the handling is quite nice. 我真係啱啱第一次開機啫。
Just show over here, put the 0 first, and then after that, we can slowly So that was the first take. It was pretty good, and I think I need to take a couple more shots before we call it quit for this one, because then we have a variety. We took a couple more takes from different angles to mimic two camera angles on the final result, and we end up with this ASMR intro in our final video. The rest of this video is available at our We Review channel on YouTube, so be sure to check it out after this video. Okay, so this is gonna be another shot where she's gonna be reviewing the V60. Let me just adjust the camera right in front, and we're gonna be focusing more towards her hands. Your hands, not my hands. The 24-70mm gives me the flexibility to shoot tight at 70mm quickly without needing me to swap out the lens. And of course, this will be our favorite part of the review, where we get to taste the coffee brewed by Mel. So this is the part of the video where she will be reviewing the products and she will be speaking directly into the camera. I'll be recording her. Look into the camera when you speak out, like you are speaking to me.
Hello everybody, welcome back to Review. Hi everybody, welcome back to We Review, Coffee with Mel.
Same lens at 24mm, now is wide enough of a shot for the talking head portion of this video.
We are tasting a slightly different coffee.
Essentially, the 24-70mm is a versatile lens for making YouTube videos like this. This is Canon's L lenses and it's pretty sharp throughout the focal length. And it's pretty fast too at f2.8 all throughout the focal length. The IS is great for video walking shots, but I didn't have to do that for this project. This lens will certainly simplify video workflow for a small production like this. So that's it for this behind the scene of how we produced a episode of We Review over here in my studio. And hey, and that's Mel. And check out the new channel at We Review on YouTube. Search it up in the description below. See you guys. Ciao.